कहिए जी, आप बोल रहे थे। तो दोस्तों, आज हमारे साथ रेडियो पे आपका नाम और
कुदरत श्रीनिवासन चौधरी।
व्यास कुदरत सुमी चंद्रेश भाई। और
हमारे रेडियो पे आज आपका स्वागत है।
हाँ,
आज के पॉडकास्ट में हम बात करने वाले हैं, आई डोंट नो क्या बात करने वाले हैं।
ग्रुपिज्म,
ग्रुपिज्म। डैम
एपिक धाक टॉपिक बताइए।
ग्रुपिज्म भाई, ऐसे देखो अभी इस जगह पे शूट कर रहे हैं हम। देखो मैं मर सकता हूँ कभी, आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग। ग्रुपिज्म से ज़्यादा व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू लिव लाइफ? आई मीन सीरियसली क्यों? अब ये आदित्य एंड आयुष हियर, सो या
Why would you not want to live life? Is the question.
I mean, see, from a perspective of our alternative world or whatever, there are like a zillion things which you do not want to live life for.
What
I
do
mean,
you
it
mean?
just, I mean, it's like live your life, but live it in a way that it's not harmful for other people and it's not harmful for you.
But what do you mean by harmful for other people?
I don't know, man. Buying paste and buying shit with kills people or cows. I don't know. It's
But
basically that.
anything you do can harm different people, and it
Yes.
benefits different people.
Yes.
मच्छर था
That's
मच्छर था मच्छर था
true for anything.
Right. So there are zillion reasons not to live.
You
Like one is like I feel there are two worlds. One world is my world and one world is the world, the normal world, which I call the normal world. In that people give a shit about society and people give a shit about everything. In my world, I mean everything exists and nothing exists. It's something like that. Where life is life and I can see I can I can see life and earth as, I mean, hey, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do that, you have to do that.
what do you have to do?
No, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, what do you have to do in society?
I don't know, be kind to people,
Do you have to do that?
I think, or be humble, be presentable, अपनी reputation बचाओ, अपने अपना घर बनाओ, पैसे कमाओ.
Do you have to do that?
Yeah, I believe. I mean, it's not you have to. It's like the way the society is made. It's like you will eventually because you're insecure as fuck.
But again, that's you choosing to do that.
Yes,
You still have the choice.
true,
And
true.
that's maybe the society you live in or the people you meet
Yes,
that also affect that. If you meet people who don't care about your reputation, then why would you need to save it?
true.
So then
True.
that world is just what world you've lived in.
Yes,
It's not like the normal world. In fact, what is normal?
true. I mean, it's like a cult. The society is like a cult. It's like one person is feeling insecure, so that insecurity will spread. And right now it's a cult because like this shit.
Which one? There are multiple shits going on. Which one are you talking about?
uh, it's like it's not one society, it's multiple, but the world I live in there is a similar society which revolves around expectations and insecurities and reputation. And it's like you're insecure, that person is insecure, and bunch of people are insecure and they're insecure together. And that's what is the cult. Like, acha, I'm insecure about how I look, so I'll make you feel insecure. Wait, someone is calling me. Yo, Trupti bhai. अच्छा ये पार्ट कट करना पड़ेगा।
25K.
हाँ, बहुत मच्छर काट रहा है।
Bangalore.
So, society is basically bunch of insecure people, and
How you view it?
how I'm in my eyes.
Whatever you've experienced.
Yes, so far.
So in that society, are you there?
नहीं,
Am I there?
नहीं.
So then we both exist where? In what
In,
society?
I don't know. In no society, that's where my world come in. At least my second perspective on the world.
So then your second perspective is a separate society.
Maybe, or maybe it
Or
just
a
exists.
Group of people.
I
I mean, just existing, but
Ah.
you would consider me and you in that just existing mindset.
yes,
So then we are in that society.
kind of. Yeah, but it's not a rigid society. Like I still feel that जो city में है या फिर जो अभी normal places में है, there's a rigid society because it's a cult of people who are insecure together, and they will be mostly forever if they live however they're living right now.
So then are we not a cult of people who are unrigid?
Yeah, maybe, but we are not rigid with that thought. At least, I mean, I can be rigid, I can be unrigid, I can do whatever the fuck I want. So अभी के लिए दो दुनिया एग्जिस्ट करती है, बट मे बी अ थर्ड वन इज ऑन द वे.
What is the third one?
आई हैव नो आइडिया. Some weird ass, some midsummer level shit.
Aren't you already
हाँ, नहीं पता नहीं.
there to an extent? Not midsummer, but
हाँ,
not a proper cult, but
yes, something similar, which will lead to something big. But I'm not forcing that bigness. होगा तो होगा ऐसा.
so that third world you talk about, is that what you want to build
Might be, yes.
out of this second world
Yes, maybe.
that you talk about?
Yes, but it's pretty. I mean, it's pretty. At point, it's pretty achieve. It's like I'm building that world for everyone, and then I'm also building that world for myself more. Because I feel from my perspective like I'm also doing the same shit which a one person in the society is doing. Like मेरे लिए जो मुझे लगता है कि लोगों के लिए ये अच्छा होगा, वो मैं कर रहा हूँ. So that's why like I'm little worried with the idea. So
But
I'm,
isn't everybody, all leaders working out of that perspective?
yes, it's pretty sad. It's pretty sad. But yeah, it's true.
Is that sad?
It's sad when you only go by your perspective, when you don't have conversation with the normal people who are gonna actually live in the world, or you build your inner, I don't know, group or something, जो लोग रहने भी नहीं वाले उनके साथ बात कर रहे हो, then it's pointless. But like अभी अजीब है भी और नहीं भी है, क्योंकि one is like I'm talking to you, I'm talking to Aditya, I'm talking to Ajan, what do you need in the world, or what do you generally need in life. So if I'm able to fulfill those needs, yeah, maybe that's the world.
That's your third world.
Maybe yes. I mean, we kind of have already. It's a little, थोड़ा छोटा है, but that's okay.
So your second world is the human world. I mean, your first world is the human world, and your second world is the worlds in the literal sense.
Yes.
And your third world is your construct.
Yes. तीनों वर्ल्ड पैरेलली चल रहे हैं. The hard, exhausting part is like coexisting everywhere. But I kind of like existing in my world and my third world. But like when it comes to the other world, it's kind of painful, because in the start it was painful because I had that vision that if you want to be part of that insecure world, you have to You have to be like that or please them. That's why in the start it was very exhausting.
Do you have to?
No, that's what I'm saying. In the start, I thought you have to. That's why
Do
I
you
was.
have to exist in the first world?
No. Depends. Purpose. Let's
You
say,
can use the first world, but do you have to exist
no.
in the same way other citizens of the first world, let's call them citizens.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to exist in. वैसे तो you don't have to exist in any world.
Yeah, I mean, apart from the second world where it's a necessity, meaning like that's inevitable.
Yes. Lot of worlds, am I right?
Yeah, we're in the cosmos now.
Fuck. Midnight Gospel. Mid Sham Gospel है ये.
How many times have you seen it?
5 times.
5 times
Yeah.
in the span of
In this year.
this year. You discovered it this year.
I discovered when it was released. अच्छा.
2019,
हाँ. नहीं 2018.
2018.
अच्छा. Yeah. I'm done.